CHB Commerce Classes, Sri Hitesh B. Dave of Bamrera. Dharoli, Columbia Jeans, CDF, Sri Jayanti Baidi Trivedi of Bamrera, Sri Bhumidhan Nikam, Sri Madanlal B. Vora of Sadari, Western Carriers, Sri Dinesh B. Vora of Sadari, Sodna Fabrics, Sri Manar Bhai H. Trivedi of Dorua, Madhvans Motors Private Limited, Sri Ashok Bhai N. Trivedi of Pasalia, Siddhi Enterprise, Sri Atul N. Trivedi of Hatal. Jackie Trivedi and Dhiren Trivedi are the two opening batsmen. Dhiren at a non-striker's end, Jackie at a striker's end. All set. Pratik to bowl the first over from the Mahabad club at G11, chasing the target of 51 runs to win the match. And we request the captain of Nazi 11 उसके right hand side में introduction के लिए आ जाए. We request the captain of Nazi 11 and CHB class 11 to, and yes, Pratik to Jackie. That ball outside the off spin. Batsman leaves it alone. We request the captain of Nazi 11 and HB class 11 to Pratik to Jaggi. That ball outside the off stump again. The batsman beaten by the pace. Want to steer it, misses to full toss. That is in the air. Two players there and the batsman will get only single. So Jaggi 11 opens the count with one. So does Jackie. Chasing the target of 51 runs to win the match. Pratik to Dhiren. Full toss has been driven into the cover, straight to the fielder for a single. One more to the total. Three wide in the first over, chasing the target of 51 runs to win the match. Pratik to Jackie. One more up. 1-2 cleared by umpire, so one more to the extras and the total moves on to 4. For the G11, 4 without loss in the first over, chasing the target of 51 runs to win the match. Handsomely straight to the fielder for a single. So one more to the total. Slow moves on to for the G11 5 in the first over, 5 without loss. That marks end of Ashish to Dhiren. That ball has been driven straight into the vacant mid-wicket area, straight to the long, deep mid-wicket for a single. Played between United and Jaggi 11, that is of Jadeji Group, where the United captain won the toss and elected to bat first. Made 50 runs in allotted 6. Ashish to Dhiren, that ball outside the off-stump, wide declared umpire, so one more to the total, score moves on to 8. The third match will be played of Rajhan's franchisee group between HD Class 11 and Nazi 11 group, and that ball outside the off-stump punched away into the vacant fine leg area. There is a man running down for the point now. He picks up a 2. So 2 more to the total. Score moves on to 10. Ashish to Dhiren, that off the leg, one loud shot by the umpire. Bats pull the ball out. Nothing doing his umpire Rajesh. Dhiren, that was full toss by goes for a big shot. Misses to. That ball has been driven handsomely by Dhiren over the straight to deep mid-wicket fielder for a single. Single till G11 to 11 in the end of the second over. Now in the 40 over, 4 overs, 40 runs to be scored to Dhiren. That ball outside the off-stump. Jigar want to lift it somewhere in the mid-wicket. Misses completely. Wicket-keeper collects. Wide declared by umpire. And the total moves on to 12. Once again, lower pitch ball to Dhiren. Driven handsomely over the ball into the long off for a single. One more to the total. Score moves on to 13. That ball is on the off and middle stump, driven, turned away by Jackie into the square leg fence, straight to full for a single. One more to the total. Score moves on to 13. 14, I beg your pardon. 14 in the third over, chasing the target of 51 runs to win the match. That ball has been lovely shot from Dhiren. There is a man over the long bound for waiting for umpire signal. Waiting for the fielder to say it's either 4 or 6. Waiting for the left hand supply. Six declared by Akbala, a fielder over there. It was a six. The target of 41 runs. Bowling to Duran. Once again, that ball in there and into the hands of the gatekeeper. To Amit Shukla. That ball lovely, holding for a six, big six to Amit Shukla. So 26 after 3 overs. The score reading on 26. Lovely shot. Narendra into the hands. The second wicket goes. Jackie is out. New man is a Karan. Karan Dave is the new man of Patwara, and that's the missed fielding and running down to the mid-wicket boundary.
No boundary.
And the batsman picks up 2. So 2 more to the total. Score moves on to 28. Shukla, that has been driven straight to the long off fielder. There is the man there. Kamal misfield and the batsman going for a second run. Minimal misfields. 2 more to Amit. Protect to Amit. Oh, excellent job. That batsman want to hit it, misses completely, was clean bowled. So third wicket goes for the Jaggi 11. And
3 विकेट तो काढ़ी है बॉलिंग अच्छी की है अब अटका बड़ा बॉलिंग करो मैंने अटका था
thank you sir, and yes, Pratik to Shivang, that ball outside the leg stump, waiting for the umpire signal, right declared by umpire, 1 more to the total, score moves on to 31. Shivang the way, goes to Shivang. Shot drive, Shivang want to kill it, no ball called by umpire, the ball going over the head of Pratik to Shivang. Shot and lovely shot. Lovely shot by Shivang the way, that ball tapped away over the wicket keeper's head for a couple. And also Shivang, that ball lovely shot on the leg side, flicked away behind the square leg umpire, straight to the square leg fielder for a single by Shivang. 1 more to the total, score moves on to 35, so that marks the end of the 4th over. So after 4 overs, the score reading on 35, still 16 runs required into Ashish to bowl. The 5th over of the inning will be bowling to Shivang. That ball has been driven straight to long on fielder for a single. Ashish to Karan, full toss, that is in there, there is a man there, wicket keeper. Waiting for Karan is out, the wicket keeper and the bowler. Anyway, the 2 Shivang. The Shivang want to hit it, misses completely. Wicket keeper collects for Shivang. Full toss and he'll bowl him. So 1 more wicket goes for the Jaggi 11 now. 36 for Vice. Still 15 runs required to win the match. Abhishek Sharma walking out.
आराम से एक ही है
Batsman picks up on, that is another throw and going for the second one. So 2 more to the total. And the score moves on to 38. That marks the end of the 5th over. So after 5 overs, the score reading on 38. In now last 6 balls and 13 runs to come. That ball has been flatly driven into the cover. Missed for 4 runs. So 4 more to the total. Score moves on to 32. 9 required in the last 6 balls.
जिगर राहुल
scored 9 runs in the last 6 balls. Nitin and Shavi Sharma on the in middle, and the last over to be bowled by Kunal. Kunal to Nitin, that was shot offside the off-stump. Batsman want to flash, misses completely. Wicket-keeper collects no run result. Kunal to, that ball shot has been turned away into the vacant area, into the fine leg. Batsman going for a 2. Picks up a 2. So 2 more. Kunal to Nitin. That ball has been driven over the ball of that, running down towards the cover boundary. Batsman going for a. There is an overthrow and the batsman picks up 2. So 2 more to the total. Score moves on to 46 now. 3 balls and 5 runs. 3 balls and 5 runs for Jagju 11 to win the match. And it misses. And there is an overthrow and the batsman picks up 1. Ball declared by umpire. So 1 more to the total. 2 balls and 4 runs. That ball has been played. One, only one. Straight to the fielder by the ball at all. He picks up the ball and throws the ball. Batsman picks up a 2. 1 ball and 2 runs. 1 run, 1 run for the tie and 2 runs to win the match. Now, stands 1 ball, 2 runs, 1 run for tie. And here's Kunal from CHB Commerce Plaza comes and bowls to Samir and he's out. So we United have won the match by 1 run. We United have won the match. So we United have won the match, and Jagju 11 lost the match by 1 run, and now the match between HB Class 11 and Nazi 11 of the large and Fashion franchisee group teams. We received the team that Nazi 11 captain Bharat Khut won the toss and elected to field first.
बस